Now for our next customer sharing, let me present to you Paolo Karunugan from Armscor Global Defense.
Armscor. Accuracy and affordability all rolled into one. Rock Island Armory. From target to tactical, they are solid as a rock for every type of shooter. That's what you can expect from Armscor Precision International. Right on target, right on the price.
Hello, I am Engineer Paolo Karunugan. I am a process engineer assigned in the ammunition manufacturing department. So thank you for having me. So Armscor Global Defense is the first local firearms and ammunitions manufacturing company right here in the Philippines. It is located here in Marikina City, Philippines. So we are approximately 800 employees, and as I said earlier, we both manufacture firearms and ammunition as well. Our original company name, Squires Binghams, was then changed to Arms Corporation of the Philippines and then recently changed to Armscor Global Defense because we export our products to various countries abroad, such as the United States and other Asian countries as well. So before we started using Solid Edge, we were using AutoCAD, which was mainly used for 2D drafting. So when it came to one of our customers who wanted tighter tolerances to our ammunition products, we had very much difficulties when using uh, AutoCAD because we weren't able to check and see if our designs were up to the task of meeting the customer's expectations. So that is then we needed to use to check and use a 3D program because one of the aside from Solid Edge, we sought SolidWorks and NX as well. So the key features of a 3D program that we wanted was ease of use, that we can check and see if the designs can fit into our needs as well, and if they are up to the task of switching between units of measurements. In meeting the customer's requirements and expectations, we needed to employ 3D technology. So we looked to Solid Edge to perform these tasks. So by using 3D technology, we were able to easily check if the tools we were designing are able to meet these expectations, such as designing the new bullet profiles, um, checking the bullet seaters for our loading machines, designing the cams for our machines as well, um, easily designing the gears for our several of our machines, for our blank and cupping die sets, as they are one of the most important parts of our case line and first operation machines. Another factor that Solid Edge was able to help was through the use of the assembly technology. So by using the assembly technology, we were able to see by assembling the several parts of a tool or a machine, we were able to check if there were any problems in the designs of those parts. So we are able to easily correct those issues before we are able to produce them, thus avoiding any unnecessary costs. Another, and in my opinion, is the most important function of Solid Edge is its synchronous technology. So by opening a part of a assembly and editing its dimensions will affect the entire assembly as well. So for example, you change the dimension of one part, that part will be affected by the will affect the also the assembly as well. So for this will save time and effort. So instead of clicking opening all of the parts of the assembly, Solid Edge will automatically do the changes for you as well. So all you have to do is double check if the parts will assemble correctly. So since using Solid Edge, I believe their synchronous technology has greatly aided us in improved our productivity as process engineers. So I myself use Solid Edge since 2018, and I can observe that from designing a tool that has taken me before around 1 hour, I believe it has greatly reduced my designing that tool into nearly half the time due to its 3D designing, then simply just designing the draft for that, then taking it up to our tooling for them to produce that tool. So I can definitely confidently say that Solid Edge has greatly aided us, improved our uh, capacity, and lowered costs in uh, costs such as tools that were not able to meet the customer's expectations, parts for the machines that were not do not fit in the said machines. So I can definitely say that they have greatly helped us in as engineers. Another thing to add is that not only do I use Solid Edge for designing the tools, I also use it to design the packaging for the visual loading and packaging area where I am assigned. So when when designing the packaging, so I use Solid Edge. I use Solid Edge uh, to the drafting program of the Solid Edge to make the designs of the packaging. And after the packaging is finished, I check, I assign how they are palletized as well. So all of those functions I place in Solid Edge. And because Solid Edge is able to do even those functions, Solid Edge can do that as well. Armscor continuously strives for improvement, and I believe that with Solid Edge, we will be able to achieve this improvement. So I would like to thank CIM Technologies for introducing us Solid Edge. Armscor has many more projects for the years to come, such as developing new calibers, uh, improving the performance of our already existing calibers, and meeting the demanding specifications of our new customers as well. So with the help of CIM Technologies and their trainings, and with the new Solid Edge versions that we have purchased with them, we would like to obtain the training through their training and learn the new features that they provide, such as how the wind will be affected through as the bullet passes through the air, how the metal is affected when our tools pass through the cases, etc., etc. So through the power of 3D technology, we are able to advance so much when compared to the use of 2D technology. So that is all. Thank you very much.